Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your account in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Now go to Account option. Here click on Switch Account option. Now select the account through which you'd like to switch. In this video, I'm gonna choose my Facebook account, so tap on it. And here you can see that the name of my Facebook account is mentioned in the Facebook account option. So that is how you can switch your account in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.